Okay guys, there's one last thing I want to talk to you about with products, and that is having a service as a product. So depending on which angle you're coming from or what service you're providing, you can still use a product. You can still add a product. You can, call this roof inspections. Okay, or whatever it is. You can explain your service here. You can add an image. I would just go for one straight image for this. Add your price, and this will not be a physical product. And you can add that as a product, as a service. The other way you may want to do it is go to online store. Let's leave this and create a page. And I'm actually going to do this. Let's add a page. Let's call this one roof inspections. Okay, we will be happy to provide you with a free quote, blah blah blah. So you would add all your details about it over there. Let's hit save. Okay, so now we've actually got a page here where we could add stuff about our services, where they would need to come and actually contact us so that you can arrange that with them. Because of course, not every, if you've got a house that's right in the middle of a built up area, it's not going to be so easy, and you might have different price points for that. Okay, so it's entirely up to you how you want to handle that, but I just thought I would add that in there in preparation for the next videos. Okay, thanks guys.